Hello to all my Lovin light beings. Welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Sean Ivan D, aka my Alaskan Queen. If you'd like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. In today's video, we're doing an unboxing with Glossybox. Unfortunately, I am going to cancel this next month, so next month of February will be my last review of Glossybox. It is retails for $21 a month and comes with 5 sample or deluxe size products. One of the only reasons why I'm canceling is because I am getting other subscriptions, so be looking forward to those real soon. But it does come with a lot of hair care and skincare products, and I'm more looking for samples of makeup. So that's one of my reasons for that. This does come with a lot of coupons lately. This first one here is a wine voucher for $100 that needs to be claimed with 100 days. So you get $100 off any case of wine priced at $160 or more. And I do not drink, so anybody is welcome to have that. First come, first serve. And here's the instructions on the back. If you'd like to claim that, go ahead. But the very next thing is for Skin Store, part of the Look Fantastic group, $145 free gift when you make your first order. It does not say a minimum. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get right into the box. They always come with these wrapped ribbons and the list of the description of the products on top. And a nice letter. Ooh, and of course they have to send me good products this month because I'm thinking about canceling. So the very first thing in here is this slice mask sheet. It's by Coco Star. Lemon Slice Mask. This is a full size. This one retails for $5. It says, revolutionary in the concept of sheet masks, each slice is infused with the nutrients and scents of its namesake fruit. So this one smells like lemon. More convenient and effective than using raw fruits and vegetables, slices use eucalyptus trees power to deliver intense yet gentle nourishment to your face and body. So that's really awesome. I look forward to trying that out. The instructions on the back. The very next thing in here is by Zaya. Beauty wipes. Full size retails for $12 for 90 count. Perfect for women on the go or men. Zia's beauty wipes cleanse and renew without the added need of having to rinse your face after taking your makeup off. Infused with rosehip essential oil, skin gets a powerful dose of antioxidants and vitamins, leaving you feeling radiant. So one of the things I was using was the Neutrogena wipes and the Neutrogena makeup remover, but I had noticed that it really burns my eyes trying to get off the mascara and the eyeliner. So I'm trying to refrain from that. I do have a short haul coming up after this video, so I'll show you what I'm going to try next. But I'm looking forward to these, so we'll have to do a review on them and see how they work. The next thing is by Daily Concepts. This is a mini facial scrub. This full size retails for $5. Conveniently the right size, Daily Concepts Mini Facial Scrubber is designed with pockets to slip your fingers in and choose your texture for better control. The innovative textures with micro scrubber technology are just right for a daily soft wash or for an exfoliant wash, perfect for your face. It says, replace me when writing fades. So there's the writing. And there's a little pocket. It does feel like an exfoliating scrubber, and then on the back it's more kind of like a washcloth. So that's really awesome. I might have to try that out. Let's go ahead and go in. We have a few more products here to review. This next one I am really surprised by. I had watched a few other people do unboxings and I was like, ooh, I hope I get that. This is by Avant Skincare. It's a deluxe hyaluronic acid vivifying face and eye night cream. This full size, which is 50 mLs as featured, this retails for $120. An anti-aging moisturizer, the cream deeply nourishes and improves dullness for a younger looking complexion. The powerful combination of hyaluronic acid, Maris Aqua, and vitamin B3 rejuvenates skin to prevent and reverse signs of aging like crow's feet, wrinkles, and dark under eye circles. Complexion that will glow with a radiance from within. Wow. So this is something that I would not repurchase, but I am very glad to try. It is sealed, so I'm looking forward to trying this out. We might have to do a review of this as well. And there's supposed to be a couple more items in here. I am actually missing one. Okay, I'm supposed to have a different gel in here, and I do not have one. So I am going to have to let them know about that. That really sucks. It's never happened before. But there it is there, a different Adapalene Gel Acne Treatment. The full size retails for $13.99. Ditch your old way of fighting acne and embrace Differin Gel, a revolutionary new treatment. The first over-the-counter product with retinoid adapalene, you can prevent breakouts and clear up blemishes for beautiful skin without the hassle of waiting for a prescription. So that is something that I would have liked to try out actually. And I unfortunately do not have it in my box. So I'm going to have to get with them about that. The very last thing in here is by Sleek Makeup. It's a highlighter palette. Full size retails for $14.99. This has 6 grams. A versatile highlighter palette with 2 baked powders, 1 cream formula, and 1 silky shimmer powder. Sleek Makeup carefully crafted 5 shades to match every skin tone. Intended to be used on either the body or face, 4 highly metallic finishes enhance your complexion with a radiant glow. Ooh, very nice packaging. And there's the colors there. Hope you can see that. This one here is a cream. These two are powders. And then there's the metallics. Ooh, so I'm really liking this. This is actually a cream too. So this is the shade right in the middle. It feels very oily like and slick. I wonder if that dries down. It's got these nice purple and pink shimmers in it. I hope you can see that. So let's try this next one. This one next to it, this is a cream as well. It says 1 cream formula and 1 silky shimmer powder. But there's 2 cream formulas. So there's the pink. It's very pink. I apologize for my lighting. It's terrible. Then this is cream as well, which I don't get because it says 2 baked powders, 1 cream formula, and 1 silky shimmer powder. But there's actually 3 cream formulas. So that's the green. There you go. I actually like that green. It reminds me of Kat Von D's Alchemist highlighter in the shade teal. And then so these are the 2 powders. One looks like a pinky color. Ooh, it's very bright, kind of fuchsia. I hope that color is showing up. And then we have this gold one on the top, which I'm assuming is gold. Nice. Oh, there you go. Kind of a yellowy. Yeah, it's pretty gold. Gold, pink, green. Another pinky and a purple. So that's really nice. I was actually looking at this before and I didn't want to get it because I wasn't too sure about the cream highlighters. So that's it for that. Thank you all so much for watching. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. I enjoy reading each and every single one of your comments. And don't forget, I do have a giveaway going on with my Kat Von D look. I'll leave it in the description box below. I'll be doing my giveaway when I hit 250 supporters. And I will be attending James Cox I Am a Creator marathon, 1 year in the making, on February 1st. So if any of you out there are looking to grow your channel, please check out James Cox in the YouTube, and search him in the YouTube and check him out. He has helped me out a lot. I've probably gained about half my followers from him, attending a few of his marathons. I really do enjoy it. There's a lot of people that I do follow from him as well. So one of the things we do is we support each other by watching their videos in full, liking their video, and commenting down below. And it's been really nice. I really appreciate all of you guys. Thank you all so much, and I hope to see you in the next one.